what are you doing opening my parcel?
I was trying to not wreck that in case it does go back.
Yeah, if it goes back, love, it's going to go back in a fucking trash bag. Because if that's not the right one, that's it. Oh, here we go. Wait.
I've got plastic pipe in there, is that the right one?
That's the right one, yeah.
Yay!
You recording? Oh, hello there. How the devil are you? This is the fourth one. So obviously that hole is too big, as we can all see. So we could put that in there like that, like, but it's pulling it. And then you want it there at least, not... See, it pulls it over there, so you want it right there. Right, let's see if it works. Probably go the wrong fucking way, won't it? It'll start going backwards. Like everything else in my life. No fire. No power. That's where it was originally earthed. Ooh, shaky finger. I've just gone up there, across there, over there, and down onto there. It's not touching anything, so heaters, shut the fuck up. I've chucked a bottle of gas on the end of it, so it's the moment of revelation. This camera, I think, is a keep fit camera because it's shut down. Well, obviously your brain says, well, the battery's gone, so I go and get another battery all the way back. Looked over there, it's still not working. Card was full. I'm not going to touch that because I just don't feel happy. So I'll show you the difference. You know, right there, I got to put a wire pressure on and go like that. What did that do exactly? Oh yeah, look at that now. No wonder they all do that. So yeah, quite happy with that. That's quite a good burn. Well penetrated. She didn't max in the back, so she's well into it. I could look for a third hand, but I'm a lazy git. I fucked that idea because it's just stupid. Right, put it back on full. And then I just want to go like that. These washers are coated with something. I don't know what it is, but they're coated. Could I just tack that on there? So yeah, I like that. Oh look, it's a sculpture. Yeah. Oh, that's fucking it. Oh, fuck. That'll do. Oh, as well. Oh, tomorrow, clean up, get rid of. And away to go. Still oxygen. Is it oxygenating? Still oxygenating. Oh yeah, nice. We still got some gas issues with it. Come on, it's Thursday. It's Thursday.